Hi friends, I am Sagnik and today I am going to tell you that how to add your video intro and outro. So and along with song. So without wasting much time, let's start the video.
Når helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløben som om hver dag var en lørdag. Så mange damer er og drikker stopp på meg, så jeg lener meg til.
Open Play Store and then search Intro Maker. And you will get one recommendation that Intro Maker for you to click on this app and then click on install. I have already installed, so here it will come only open this app and then choose whatever intro you like for your channel. Like I am choosing this one. No, I am choosing this one. Okay, I have already downloaded. Wait, it needs to be downloaded. And then click here, and here it will come. If you want, then you can do your tutorial. I am clicking on skip tutorial. Then click here, see. Here it is already telling Cyberpunk. If you want your channel name, then click here, hold here, and there they will tell to give the channel name. I am writing here Take a World. As you know, it is my channel name. And here also they will tell you to give. You can choose whatever font you like. I am choosing this one as this looks more beautiful. Here they will also tell to give your channel name. I am giving my channel name. See, here it has came. I am using the same font because otherwise it will look odd. Then click on done. Here they will tell to upgrade your VIP pass, but if you do not want, then you can click on stay free. Then see, here it is coming. My channel name, and after that. And if you want to add music, then click on music. Then then you can choose whatever music you like. I am clicking on here. See, it is downloading. Wait, it is loading. Yes, here see it has came the music. Click on the pic. You can also see in my last video that I have given this music only in my intro. And if you want to add sticker, as here it is showing empty, you can add here sticker. See, click on sticker and see it is subscribe option. You can download this one, and some are also locked, as for those you need to download them. It is also good. Now see the how I add text again, I can do one. I can see that the context over here. If you want to add and give it on here, then click on done and click on export, and here it will be exported. I am pausing it because I want to sort it.